Hi there, U.S. government students. It's Mr. Kerr getting ready to go on week 6. Hey, week 6, very important here to talk about. And this is not only is it the end of our first unit, it's also the end of our first 6-week grading period. So it's kind of like our first sort of report card. I'll be putting in Unit 1 6-week grades on Thursday. So they'll be available Thursday night, Friday morning for you and your parents to see. So it's really important. If you have anything that you want to count, especially if you have like a missing assignment or something like that, you need to get it in to me as soon as possible. Hopefully by Tuesday night, Wednesday at the latest, so that I can get it graded in the grade book by Thursday. Okay, so really important. And of course, hopefully every Tuesday morning, first thing you're doing, watching this video, checking your messages, checking your grades, and going through the suggested schedule for the week. So this is our Unit 1. And also remember, and some people have had a question about this, our week opens Tuesday morning and goes through Monday night of the following week. So we're a Tuesday through Monday class, in case I know that wasn't clear for everyone. But so you had a sneak peek at this last week, the Unit 1 final discussion and assessment prompt. I'm not going to read through all the directions because both here on the discussion board, I've put audio directions both for the final discussion and the final assessment. And you'll see that as you click on it, you'll see that on the final Unit 1 writing assessment itself. Also has the final assessment audio directions and the final discussion audio directions. Strongly suggest that you go through those directions, the audio version as you're reading them too, just to make sure. Here's the prompt we're going to be working with. Power is defined as the ability to control others, while authority is defined as the right to control others. What are the negative and positive effects of power and authority when applied to the American system of government? So that is the question you're answering in a written response. So your assignment for the final discussion right here, to sum it up, your assignment. So your discussion board is just posting the introductory paragraph. So it's just a paragraph, but it's going to be the introductory paragraph to your Unit 1 final. Now, I'm not going to tell you how long or how short. It does need to follow the PEA, point evidence analysis. I know you all know what that is, method. And certainly a 5-paragraph essay would fit nicely into that, since you need to use 3 of the examples that you're given. But you're on your discussion, all you need to post is the introductory paragraph and then give constructive feedback to 2 of your classmates' paragraphs. Now, this is the one time on a discussion board where I'm going to ask you to comment on people's writing style in addition to the content. Usually I just want you to say, yes, I agree or disagree, and here's why I agree or disagree. I want you to talk about the content and whether you agree or not with the content, but I also want you to give them style feedback, writing feedback on their writing. Say, that's a really strong introductory sentence, or it'd be helpful if you would list out some of your examples here, or your concluding sentence could be stronger. Things like that are fine. So both content and writing style is going to be in your feedback, unlike most weeks on discussion boards where I just want you to comment on the content. Okay? So that's the discussion board. Make sure you check these suggested due dates. It's really going to be important that you get those in through the suggested schedule to make sure that everyone has a chance to get and give good feedback. And then here is the final itself, Dropbox directions, and then also, again, the audio directions will go through the actual written assessment, which is here. Here's the prompt again, and then there are 6 documents to choose from, you need to choose at least 3 of the 6 documents as case points, as evidence for your writing. Point, evidence, analysis. And again, social studies rubric to look through, PEA method checklist, and then the text-based PDF as well. All right. Any questions at all? Again, this is Unit 1, 6 weeks in. So make sure if you're missing anything at all. Last week was kind of a light week. I was hoping you'd use it for review and checking up, making sure you're caught up on everything. Let me know if you have any questions. Looking forward to, hey, let's go Rockies. Wearing our purple for Rockies this week. They could make the playoffs with a good run this week. And hope to see you out there. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you soon.